ready, baby. This is French toast coming in at 6,000 calories. I am so excited to eat this. Let's just get right into it. Yeah, perfect, perfect. It was a long day for me. I've earned this. I deserve this. "42 slices of bread. I'm not exactly sure how many I've already gotten through. But not making a good dent so far. Going in for a double bread. So far, so good. Hasn't been that long. Holy. Don't want to have a slip up. Oh my. That was close. Don't you worry, you're gonna get in on this one. You just let me know when you're ready.
Okay.
I know, so appetizing, huh?
So appetizing.
See, now it feels like I made a dent, but I just gotta, it's just we're getting to the base. The top just makes it seem that way. It's all mind games.
I'm so glad that I struggled here.
I know. And we got him before he got off work. He thought he would have made one of these videos. That's so funny. I can't believe I was on his mind
so
all
sad.
day. Yeah, he was probably just waiting all day.
Probably makes us Thursday.
Show up. Yeah, checking his back every 30 seconds. When's he gonna come?
We should get his number so we can text him.
Oh my
Give
god.
him updates. We're on our way. Hold tight. Stay in uniform.
Yeah.
How's the fruit?
Really good.
Good.
Yeah, I might have to. A sudden burst of flavor is exactly what I need.
Fruit ad.
Sponsored by Costco. By Costco beers. Should I just leave it there the whole video? Make people really upset?
Burst of flavor.
Burst of flavor. I'm telling you. Every raspberry I get, it's like, oh, rejuvenized. What does mommy want?
She's letting you know there was an aggressive 10 to 12 foot shark sighting.
Oh, as if I don't know that,
Say
Mom.
nothing, she said. Aw. Silly mom.
I like how she said aggressive. Didn't do anything.
Hungry.
So aggressive, yeah. A man-eating shark. We should send her a picture of this and say, Mom, I've got a lot more things to worry about than a shark. I got diabetes to worry about. You think I'm scared of a shark? Wind blew that one right off. Well, I guess that's some charity right there. I got plenty helpers. Look at that.
They're so big.
Thank you for your service.
The little chicks are so big now.
Yeah, because I'm feeding them well. I did that.
You grew those chicks
I'm fattening those guys up, yeah.
all by yourself.
You know they come here every Thursday. You know they
Just
expect
on
it. They're gonna be coming back every Thursday.
Yeah.
Oh, relax, you'll get your turn, all right? Relax.
Relax. He's so mad at you.
Well, I'm sorry, okay? All right, I'll tap you in.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see what you got. There's plenty to go around.
Okay.
Let's see how many you can get through.
Where do you want me to eat this?
Right here. Come on. You can take center stage, honestly. I'll just go over here.
12,000.
Oh, wait. Let's go ahead. Let's hook you up. Yeah, there we go.
Too much.
Help me out. Help me out.
Which one do I take?
Anyone. The best looking one. Come on. This is your time to shine.
Take this one. It has berries on it.
Yeah, put some berries on it.
How do you
This
eat it?
one is burnt. This one's real burnt.
Those are the ones we burnt in the beginning.
Pretty
I'm
good.
full.
Come on, that's chef kiss.
I'm full already.
Sits in your stomach like a rock, doesn't it? This feels good.
So good.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to finish it?
Can't do it?
I can take one more bite.
Yeah, take one more bite. Take one more bite. There, now I'll finish it for you. Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
Came up clutch there.
So glad I was able to help.
This chicken's gonna be here all day. That same one, he's just waiting. It's not happening, alright? Shoo!
No,
Yeah.
take a picture.
He'll be right back, don't worry. Yep. You think you're slick, huh, buddy?
I'm full now.
Yeah.
So full. Time for a nap. Food coma.
You just gotta rest up, and then you'll have another one.
Yeah. Just gotta take a breather.
Mm-hmm.
I'll go do some jumping jacks.
Yeah. Every week I'm just gonna get fatter and fatter.
No.
It's true. I'm already fatter. How's it going? Love that. what he said. It was I'm the chubby uppy.
That's a good reenactment for the camera. What did you do again?
Yeah, I'm the chubby uppy. Can't believe we didn't get that.
I should go get him.
Yeah, can you come back here one second to do that one more time? And look directly into the camera. Alright, let's get you in for round 2.
Okay.
I need some help.
Alright, let's see the damage I can do.
Yeah. One more slice. One more slice.
Get this one.
I like how I'm still gonna finish this before you finish that. You're going so slow and I feel like I'm taking forever.
I don't eat fast, but I eat so much.
So much.
Just wanna be alone with you.
That's pathetic. Pathetic.
You're pathetic. You should finish the whole thing before I finish one. You're supposed to be the best eater in the world.
True.
You're failing.
I am failing.
If you wanna fuck around, baby, I do. Just wanna be alone with you.
I finished it.
I'm so proud. I know what it is.
Thank you. Look. Oh,
Some more of this. Enhance the taste. Get some burst of flavor.
and then you can finish it. No problem. 10 minutes.
Yeah. Oh man, I want to take a bite of this. Man, that looks good. Woo-wee. You can't keep me off of it.
Don't do it. Don't eat it. I don't want you to eat it.
I have to. I'm just so hungry.
No,
I'm
no,
so
no.
hungry.
You can't eat it. You had so much. No.
What was your name again? I've seen so many of them come. Want me just play pretend? All your girls, they just
Oh, I can't chew for 40 minutes straight. It's tiring. I'm getting a workout in.
the same old thing that keeps me around. If you wanna come around, baby, it's cool. And if you wanna fuck around, baby, I do. Just wanna be alone with you.
I might have to call it.
Already? I'll
I
help you.
can't.
Let me help you. Let me help you. Let me help you. You can't call it.
I cannot chew anymore. Much better.
There you go. I'll eat this.
That might be the secret. I'm gonna have to mother duckling this thing.
I'm about to say. I'm not gonna burn it.
I can't do it, Lexi.
You can do it.
I really can't.
Your jaw.
I can't chew. Oh my god. I think I gotta call it. Oh my god, I'm pissed. I can't chew anymore. I can chug, I can fit more in, but... Oh! What the heck?
I'll try it.
Well, there it is. Another failed attempt. I'm debating just quitting my dream now. Or maybe I'll come back stronger the next time. As always, if you made it this far, thank you so much. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn the bell notification on so you never miss another video. See you next week Thursday. Maybe.